After casting some popular actors to the industry and showing his acting skill in different films, Mukesh Chhabra is set to release his directorial debut, which is also last work of Sushant Singh Rajput as an actor. Mukesh, welcome to Spotbar.com.
Hi, thank you, Nikki. Thank you so much.
Mukesh, Dil Bechara is now just not a film. Sushant Singh Rajput's millions of fans and followers' emotions are attached to it. What kind of feeling are you dealing with?
I'm still, I'm still sinking everything in. I'm still can't believe. So, I मुझे नहीं पता था कि that I will be releasing this film alone. I always thought that we'll have seen this thing together. So I see the love for Sushant and love for the trailer. It's his blessing to be हुआ है. I think, and I can see the love everyone is putting on social media for Sushant. It's so overwhelming to see that he's so loved and
Right.
still people are loving him. So I think it's a great feeling and I feel very responsible. I hope I will make him proud and make every fan of his proud that with his last film.
Yeah. We're sure the film is releasing on an OTT platform, but there are people, who said ki, it should get released in a 70 mm on a 70 mm screen, as a
But
tribute
where?
to the actor.
Kabhi, but where? Tribute to the act. But how? You tell me, Nikki, when theater ka open ho raha hai, can you tell me?
No,
No one
that's what I'm
knows.
saying.
No,
Yeah.
actually, that's no one knows. The best. See, I always feel that people should see his last film. The idea to celebrate his film, so everyone can see the film. Look at the condition outside. Look at the penguin. No one knows what is going to happen in the future. There is no clarity on theater. Nothing. No one knows what's going to happen. So I think idea to everyone should see his film, and he knew about everything that he because सबकी फिल्में आ रही every film is going on digital. OTT is a big revolutionary step जो हुआ है. तो I think it's a great step. I think film ऑडियंस से बनती है वो घर बैठ के देखें उसको प्यार दें वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है जितना मैं उसको दिया वो ट्रेलर को भी जो दिया ही है उतना प्यार
सुशांत ने ये फाइनल प्रोडक्ट देखा था. What was his response? Did he see the film?
He didn't see the final film. He only doing the dubbing and doing the voiceover dubbing he saw the film. He really loved it. He loved the Dil Bechara song, singer job. He always wanted to do that. Unfortunately he couldn't see the final film.
Achha, he has not seen the final product completely. Okay. Also, I read somewhere you always wanted to cast a new fresh for the actress, but you were always clear that Sushant for the Sushant's part. What was the reason behind?
I think the kind of trust and respect he gave me in 2017 कि जब भी आप फिल्म बनाओगे I will do your first film. And he always keep telling me जो आप फिल्म बनाओगे ना मैं करूँगा. I always ठीक है देखते हैं. तो जब 2018 में finally when I got this opportunity when Foxstar Studio contacted me, when I read the script, of course we worked on the script for actually and after that we worked on the script a lot. So then I told him that finally the film I got this opportunity and it's a great script. तो करेगा इसे भाई मैं करूँगा. So he didn't even read the script. मैंने आपको promise किया था ना तो मैं करूँगा. He didn't even read the script. He said yes to me.
Okay.
He only read the script when we went to the shoot in Jamshedpur.
Acha. Before that, he had no clue.
Yeah. No. But of course he knew what I'm making, but he didn't read the script. He said, "आप पे भरोसा है. I promise you." And I always told him कि जब भी मैं बनाऊंगा तुझे लूंगा. तो I think this was very clear. अगर मैं दिल बेचारा नहीं बनाता या कोई भी अलग फिल्म नहीं बनाता तब भी सुशांत की होता.
जैसे कि आपने कहा, yeah, sorry, please continue.
Sorry sir, आप बोलो.
मैं ये कह रही थी कि जैसे आपने कहा कि he had that trust on you कि आप जो बनाओगे मैं ही उसमें cast होऊंगा. So during the shoots, what used to be मतलब was there anything addition to it जो सुशांत की तरफ से आता था या he was very much a director actor?
He is also he is a director actor and also he is also a very intelligent actor. He also know कि मुझे कहाँ पे कितना इनपुट्स देना है कैसे वर्क करना है तो वो हमेशा विद इन द फ्रेम होके चीजों को समझता रहा और इतना इंटेलिजेंट एक्टर था तो ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं था कि वो बट आई थिंक he is also because he respected me like a brother to always tell me भाई बोलो क्या करना है so I think with that feeling of trust was always there. Yeah. And about the actress, when I read the script I could only see Sanjana's face because I remember her face in Rockstar but I only did Rockstar and after that few acts together. Then she kept coming in the office and she developed an interest in want to get into acting. So when after graduation के बाद, I think she was in third year, so I said okay चलो let's. Then I read the script, तो मैंने वो किया, ये लड़की का face एकदम correct है इस film के लिए. So I think वो face is everything. The casting होना is correct, casting होना is everything. That's how I said कि Sanjana और Sushant were very clear, the first choice.
You were the one who introduced Sushant to the film industry. Can you just recall that moment, when you met him for the first time, and what was that thing which?
I think if you see my old videos on YouTube, to tell how I during the Kai Poche audition time, Shobha San made me meet him long time back. Then when I after during Kai Poche audition, I met him at one cafe called Chai Coffee in Warsaw.
Okay.
So then I met him. I said, so I'm starting as a I'm looking for 3 boys. Will you come and audition? He came and he auditioned. He was so charming. And that's how it happened. I remember everything. I still have those auditions. In fact, I recently posted all his auditions of PK and Kai Poche. He was so charming. His chemistry with Amitabh and Rajkumar. There were three actors created that magic in that audition. Then I couldn't stop. There were a lot of other actors with the audition with that part, but the chemistry of the 3 actors was so nice. And his charm, his dedication and sincerity was so good. Yeah. So I remember everything. How can I forget anyone's audition? Yeah.
As you have casted so many actors, but the bond which you shared with Sushant was some other level. What bonded you guys as a friend?
I think as a friend and respect, and then sometimes if you can't start describing your relationship, like very difficult. जो आप बन जाता है वो बन जाता है. I'm very close to Rajkumar also, very close to Aishman Khurana also. I'm close to everyone, but this bond is very different. जो मुझे he understand me, I understand him. वो सब बहुत एक interesting, एक chemistry होती है जो आप explain नहीं कर पाओगे. So he trusted me, I trusted him, so we kept a promise with each other. So वो सब है.
It's unfortunate that he's not there, to promote his film. How much do you miss him, especially at this moment?
A lot, because we always promise कि भाई पहली पिक्चर का प्रीमियर होगा, पहली पिक्चर तो I think वो तो हमेशा obviously and कि मुझे नहीं पता था कि that I will be releasing this film alone without him. So of course I miss him, but every day I see during promotion, during trailer cutting, a new song is coming, this coming, that coming. I see him every day working on the post, so I see him every day. For me, still discuss Sushant in past tense is very difficult.
Sorry.
उसको past में बात करना कि वो था है. अभी तक तो वो है था, अभी था हो गया. It's very difficult for me to discuss Sushant in past tense.
Yeah. Coming back to the film Dil Bechara, we have read the novel, we have seen the Hollywood version. What you have added to it as a director?
I think you have to see the film and tell me what you think. I've also adapted in a way. I think not me, because basically the screenplay writer Shukrito and Shashank Gitan, the credit goes to them. How they adapted the story. Of course, I was with them, and with Shashank, the way he wrote the dialogues. I think it sets in Jamshedpur. It's very different story. So I think you have to tell me how well we could do this. You have to tell me.
I will surely watch the movie. I am actually waiting to watch it. But other than the storyline, what is something and of course Sushant, what makes you attached to the film, and what kind of responses are you expecting? Obviously a good responses, but still, is there any nervousness because this is for the first time you have directed something?
Yeah, of course. हर पहली फिल्म के टाइम पे आपको घबराहट तो होती है. जब भी किसी चीज के लिए पहला कदम लेते हो, चाहे आपकी पहली फिल्म में कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर हो, या पहली फिल्म में एक्टर हो, या पहली फिल्म में डायरेक्टर हो, या पहली फिल्म में राइटर हो, तो ऑब्वियसली आप नर्वस तो होते ही हो. With this film, the connection very different. Now it's become more responsibility. The kind of response people are giving to the trailer and love for Sushant. I hope जितनी blessings इस फिल्म इस ट्रेलर को मिल रही है उतनी फिल्म को भी मिले. तो I feel very responsible. I feel more responsible now. Every Sushant fan should feel happy for Sushant and should celebrate Sushant with last film.
Sushant was close to you and he has done some very good work in the industry. So whenever he used to come out with a project, did he used to come to you and discuss कि ये film आई है मुझे करनी चाहिए या नहीं करनी चाहिए? As a friend, has he ever?
Initially, of course. Initially, after Kai Poche के बाद जब उसको PK के audition किया था, the Shuddha Se Roman, तो of course beginning में तो of course. After that you also grow in the circle in the business and your craft. Then you then you understand your own. So after that, you also let people decide their own. It's very important. In the beginning, when you need help and you support, you always help and support. Kiya kya guidance. Then once you understand, then you follow your own journey. That's why I could do the Vakka Bannerjee film so well. Then he did Dhoni. His own decision, his whole understanding was so good. Of course, in the beginning, when he's rising, his understanding, तब तो of course वो हमेशा पूछता था.
What kind of
responsibility also कि वो मेरी भी responsibility बनती थी कि उसको सही guide करूँ कि what kind of film should be.
Any film, you suggested him कि ये तो आपको करनी चाहिए, and it actually turned out to be a very big success. And obviously,
I think PK शुद्ध देसी रोमांस उस वक्त वो जब उसको मिलते थे ये सब जना काय पूछे आई तो काय पूछे पीके के टाइम तो काय पूछे आई भी नहीं थी. तो वो सब डिसीजन जो है वो सब वो ठीक रहते हैं. मुझे बताता था कि ये सब हो रहा है. Yeah.
So now when you have turned director, so are you planning to continue as a director or actor or casting director? What is going on in your mind?
Right now, nothing is in my mind. I just want to just waiting for people reaction and people. I hope people like the film. I'm just waiting for that. After that, I'll take some time to take everything inside. I'm still thinking. Everything is still thinking. तो मैं वो बाद में decide करूँगा. अभी तो मैं कुछ नहीं सोच रहा हूँ. Of course, my company is still casting so many films. I will be joining casting for sure immediately because I just need to get out of this and get into something. So it's very important for me to. So as a director, I'm not even thought of anything right now.
Mukesh, when you were directing this film, a lot of hurdles came, many things happened in this last 2-3 years. Any moment when you felt like कि बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है इस फिल्म को बनाना, कभी आपको लगा कि गिव अप करना चाहिए या थोड़ा और टाइम देना चाहिए?
हर फिल्म के प्रोसेस में कुछ ना कुछ ऊपर नीचे सबके साथ होता है. आई थिंक हर फिल्म के प्रोसेस में कुछ ना कुछ होता है. फिल्म मेकिंग लोग इजी तो कहेंगे प्रोसेस होता है. कभी अभी यहाँ रिलीज होने वाला था 8 मई को, थिएटर में भी नहीं हुआ, पेंडेमिक हो गया था, बहुत कुछ होता रहता है. I think आपका the real test और टेस्टिंग टाइम तब होता है जब आप अपने डिसीजन पे टिके रहो और आप काम करते रहो. Be with honest with your work, no matter whatever happens in your life. Just keep working.
Okay, lastly, as you said, you were always clear that you wanted to take Sushant for your first film, and you have given opportunity to so many actors. So, any other actor which is who is in your mind and you want to direct him someday?
Yeah, there are so many actors. There are so many actors. Like I love Rajkumar, I love Manoj Bajpayee, I love Ayushmann Khurrana. There are so many actors I definitely want to work with. Such great actors because I spent so much time with him, with Nawaz Bhai, Vicky. So I think there's so many of them. Yeah, they're not a small list. There's so many people.
Okay. Lastly, anything would you like to say before we conclude this interview to the followers of Sushant who are eagerly waiting to watch your work?
I just want everyone to just celebrate his last film and घर बैठे safe रहिए and जितना प्यार देता है फिल्म को प्यार दीजिए. अगर just celebrate Sushant and just stay positive and happy and just support everyone. Just be kind to people. As much as I can help.
Thank you, Mukesh, for taking your time and being with us.
Thank you.
Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Take care.